Hello mga bay, kumusta mamong tanan? Gara ang kilay na ko karon. Daghang kay salamat inyong tanan mga bay. Unsa man tumulog na may nikiki. Kaya may nakuan so. Lagi kiki mo kuan. Talbay si Kenday. So, mo to magputos mi karon sa mga bagahe ni Rona no. So, maswerte kay siya karon kay daghang mga chocolates nga gikan sa mga gipang order nila o dili na ganahan ang among mga amo, mga gahi pa kay ni mga tsokolate no. So, gaputos na ko ni sa iha gahapon din akong gipapakingan og palibot para ipanghatag dito sa mga katawhan sa amoa. Kani para ni sa akong tiyo, sa akong tiyo nga naa sa Maynila. Iyahang ipasalubong dito. Then kani para dito sa mga bata dito sa kabalunan gini mga chocolates nila diri ba. Kani ila bitang ipang order nga kuan gara on flick and kilay ni inday karon no. Indot yung pagkakilay na ko karon so. Dayon. Ay mga kubos mga bay no. So na may mga gikan diri gud gimingaw og kubos. So dara mga kubos usa duha mga pa nila diri nga dagko. Tulo, upat, daghan kayo, 5, puno kayo malita ron na ron, 6, 7, 8, 8 ka buok. Dayon, duha ka ordinaryo nga kubos. Kaning 8 ka buok, baga ni siya nga kubos kanin nipis. O, duha ni siya. Usa, duha. Okay. Balik na natong sulod. Chikon sa among alaga karon ang iyang bagahe. Iyang bagahe chikon sa among alaga kay himungaan to ana. Tuaman sa balay tambalanan. Kay tirahan lagi. Tirahan ihang tiyan diri pero nagsilpi na may ganiha. Aya siya nila kaw naggakos na may nakasalamit ni sa iya ha. Halok na mi sa iyang ulo. So, ito. Nami silpi diri sa ako ang himungaan pero dili na ako i-post. Buho na lang kay. Kabalo na mo, bawal. So, mo to. Kanang naa diri ang mama silpi kus-kakus mis iya ha, humot man. So karon chikingon na sa among alaga. Ang giingnan ang akong alaga nga. So, you will turn over the position of your mother. Yan ako sa iya ha. Ingon siya, what can I do? Wala na siya mahimo kay yung inahan man sa balay tambalanan. So, siya karon ang mapuli sa position sa iyang mother, taga-checking sa among madala. So, wait lang, iposa na to ha. Baklay sa ako paingon dito kay layo ra ba to among chikananan to pa sa Visayas. Yeah, she buy it. Yeah. Mama said already. Sa kilo man po. My goodness. 1 kilo. It's alright. We will pack this one by one because it will be watery after.
You know that this has expired dates, right?
Mama said no. Okay. I don't think so. No, there is no expiration date. Just keep on freezer. It's written here, keep frozen.
Mama told you it's fine?
Yeah.
How long it will stay there?
Only she just traveled for 14 hours.
14 hours.
Yes.
It will stay in the bag.
Yeah, it's up to her. It's her decision because, you know, her ate, she missed this one. Her ate, you know, her ate came here before.
You saw it? Mama, she put that.
I will pack this one by one. I'm gonna check.
I didn't.
There's no need, Mary. There's no need to make like this.
It will be watery because it's frozen.
It's frozen.
She buy it 5 days ago. What can we do?
Ulla!
If she buy today, no need to make like this. But she buy it from 5 days
I
ago.
forgot.
So I put in the freezer. We have to wrap it like that because it will be watery also.
Please don't speak like that.
Yes.
Dito kay patungan man nimo da.
Ay, sorry.
Oh, tira
My goodness. Ada bra malati pa.
It's the one for Mama put and Mama Monina, Mama Mona, Mama Modin. I didn't use. Kalas,
You know what is this?
what is that?
It used to have
Mama,
two.
she gave me for, I don't know.
There is make it use to it in the house. I will tell you what is this. It's a game for children. There is one khed. You know khed?
Okay?
What is khed? Tell her.
Okay?
Thread.
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 Yeah. One thread
Hilo.
here and one thread here. And the end of the thread, there is a small ball. You know, it's like this one. Button.
Buttons.
Like
Buttons.
button, small button. So when you make like this, it will
Yes.
make sound.
Like
understand?
Chippy.
Yeah.
The one
Like
I,
ting ting ting.
It will make boom boom here like
Yeah.
a drummer.
Yeah. One
Yeah,
thread here, one
yeah.
thread here, and short thread like this.
yeah, I understand.
In the end, you will put this. You can do it in the house.
Goodness. So that one you will bring to Philippines?
Napasok mo na ko na ko lari ko. Kaya lang kung nakita niya. Kalas, I will put na. Yes, may naman pagkain sa banak ko. Sa ako ko.
But why are you putting these here? Why?
Why
Show
she
me what the else?
why she would put where?
inside?
Yeah.
It's your bra.
Why you put here?
Yes.
My goodness, put inside hair clothes. Cannot be the bra outside.
Okay.
But then you will
Wait,
see the
open the next bag.
scan.
So we can see because how many weights do you have?
23.
She
23 plus 3
yes,
or?
23 and 7.
And 7.
Okay. So now take these, the clothes, put it in my bed all. The heavy things, keep them here. So we will know. We will open the two bags and we will put some of
Yala.
the heavy things here. And
Remove your bag. Ilabay mo na doon. Oh, diba?
no, bring it here. Ron.
Okay.
Aywa.
Yung chicken. Nakatanda sila. Sinapil ang
Ano siya? Asa
pantigisi.
nagkikan na ako. Pulang ipalit.
This one mama give. 3 for her, 3 for me. For the sauce. Ketchup, mayonnaise. Like
Why
that.
you can put
Soy
it,
sauce.
put it a lot of things, not only sauce.
Yeah. Just
Not
wrap
only
it
the
clothes. Wrap it, Ron. I-wrap mo to sa clothes, Ron. Yung mabuak to.
Kulog man ko siya nako pagpunta. Hindi nilatugan ako. Hindi na. Ano siya?
Ay, basi pero tumbahan to ang akong salida. Basi ako kita.
Sana hindi. Lola. Nakikita ko. Dito iro gamay.
Unsa man?
Ang kuan.
Salida. Ay, kubos from Kuwait to Philippines. My goodness. Welcome, kubos sa Philippines. Ayan, sapatos, ayan mo. Ah, Jesus.
Pagbuko ng kay dari mo, sabak ng kabukas. Sana dito.
Kaya siya na jacket, siya na jacket.
Yata ni Bonso. Mama ikan.
Bunso nga.
Dari.
Oh.
This is for my auntie. Thanks for my auntie. For who? My auntie.
From our auntie.
Here.
She will give to her apo there. Ang lang siya ng apo. Granddaughter. This one from Mama Mona. Friends of Mama Manal. Not the sister. Her friend.
When did you buy all these shoes?
No, that one is new. This one from
This one free.
free.
No,
From
I know
Manila.
these are ours, but this one.
This
The
blue?
one, yeah.
Yeah, for my auntie.
From our auntie. With that one. You like it?
Yeah, you like it blue.
This is your favorite color.
Color. Color.
Color.
Color.
Like my brother, his favorite color is blue. Kubos pa more. Mutos na.
Nawat, hindi na mo.
She cut it. Yes, she cut it. It's very long.
Long. Until here, and then I cut it from
Inside.
Style. I will use this one in my house. 90 degrees.
Night dress.
Okay.
Sana tayo. Palinis yun. Piliin po. This for my clothes from the Philippines. Made in the Philippines.
Sus, Ginoo. Isa pa, basig na apil ang panting gisi niya.
No, ako. Kay panty. Ito may tabal sa akong pangtinggaan.
Paglabay na ni mga daan.
Kagabi na po ito. Kung mga bakit itong bagong yatang mama. Gamot. Dali naman.
Ni-graduate na sa di ay.
This is from Mariam. Silver na. From Turkey.
No. From, you know, where Mariam study? Malta. From Malta.
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 Malta. Asa na siya nagsapat?
Sakop sa kalawasan, Malta. Sakop sa Ilong. Baba.
Check mo the get ya.
Ay, sorry. Check the story di ay.
Madare.
Aliw ako.
Uy na.
Medyo ko.
Kasi mo na si speaker.
Hello.
أنا قاعدة الساعة قاعدة الساعة امبلا بدي اشيك عليه نزلت مثل
Dili ni mo isuksok ang kubos.
والله
Isa may nag-dream sa imong pilay. Ano naman?
Lain.
don't stop
Ako.
Don't stop.
Katong nagabi eh. Ako gusto na.
Ako ano, ang thinking pa mi. Ron, bye-bye Ron. Bye-bye. Amping si mong biyahe.
Salamat.
Tiyo, di ay mong kubos tiyo kung giusa sa bag. Tiyo Jol, manunday. Di ay mong kubos kung giusa sa bag. Basta ang imuhang chocolate tiyo. Para sa imuhang.
Nobody knows. Mama said you are going to come back. I don't know.
Before the
You want-
expiration of her Akama. Mama said if she wants to come back, she had to come back before the expiration of her Ikama. Her Ikama
On
will
July.
expire on July.
Hmm.
Yeah. You have to send
July?
a message
Yes.
2 months
What
before.
July? What?
Next year.
July next year. If she wants, she have to send message to you
Yeah.
2 months
I
before.
will call for mama.
2 months before, right? Because you will make her papers first.
Papers where and how we make her papers? We
Uh,
don't have to have passport.
Yeah, everything.
She doesn't need papers. She just we send her a ticket and she come.
I told you
Ah, that's all. No need to
this
fix the papers.
If she need to fix the paper, she can make fix the paper.
In agency.
And no agency
Sure no.
in your embassy
Ah,
Embassy.
embassy. Yes.
or ministry or foreign ministry there in Philippines.
Mm.
Now, if you go and come back,
The
if
same
you
way.
put in your mind, you'll go and come back. You make a new contract. I take you to your embassy here, huh?
Agency.
Embassy, not agency. Ya Rabbi.
Not agency?
No agency. The relation between me and you and your
Ah.
embassy.
It's like because I have record already, right?
You already made it
Yes.
before.
Okay. No need to make medical and everything?
No need. You
Inshallah.
take paper and I sign, I bring my civil ID, something like that, and we pay
Inshallah.
money. Sometimes you don't do, or a lot of your people don't do this thing here. Don't do this procedure here in Kuwait. They do it there in
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, if my business
Now,
will
when
not
she will
sell,
come back, she should make sort of a procedures. I don't know. It costs money either.
she have to ask the
You will ask, and she will ask, and you will direct her from Kuwait.
direct. No need to go to agency.
No agency.
Yeah, I told already. No
I'm
need.
already still her kafil. No agency. Yeah.
I told Mama if my business.
Hello.
Sir, if my business there is not Shunuhada will not be ano siya man ni siya? Yan ang dili ba dili ba mag success. If my business there will not be success, inshallah I will come back.
Your business, your plan
Yeah, my
to run a
plan.
business there?
Yeah,
What kind of business?
just pray that I will success.
Oh,
If not, I will come back inshallah.
cooking. Wallahi, if you have a successful business, it's better for you. to
Yeah,
stay
because
in your
I
country.
am with my kids. This is the important. They are since I left. They are just 5 years old. The oldest one. Now 12 years old. So 8 years I'm not with them. So maybe this is the time. I will
They
give
need
time
you,
to
they
them.
need you, they need you.
Yeah, they need me already at this time. Your lunch, what time?
Ay, lunch.
Lunch, Latifa, lunch?
Ano ka dad?
Beef pizza. You have saute, chicken in the
I'll
oven?
tell you about that.
Okay. Kalas. Isa naman ni nalibat ng kuan ani natuyok na ko. Sorry mga bay. Intaon mga bay ang kanang bahag ni Rona nga 20 ka buok, 5 na lang ka buok ang arang-arang. Nga buslot nga tangkal ng mga karter. Dara mga bahag.
Wait, Ron. خلاص put light thing. Light.
Ginoon ko kanu sa pa kanin mahuman nakikitabi pa. Mga anak. Hello mga bay, nakakita akong props oh. Gara po siya no. Timbang namin mga bay. 1, 2, 3. Sige, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Imsa, wa pa na zero. Sige, pila kilo. Sige, go. Ay, nawala na. Imsa. Sige, go. Bismillah. Agoy, natabunan ni mo ron. Ano kita?
Wala, 24.
24.
24 exactly?
24.7. Ikaduhang bag na to. Pila ka kilo. Time sa. Sige.
Mary!
Okay, go.
Move!
1, 2, 3. No! Nothing.
Bismillah. Let's put it not this balance. 22.
22, 24.
Yeah, 22 is enough.
Enough.
22 or
Yeah, enough.
24?
Yeah,
22,
22.
And this one 24.
24.
No, put more. Put more.
No, cannot be. This
Let it
kilo.
be 24. It's fine.
Ara, magkaon na sila, mag-serve sa ako mga bay. Wa pagid mi na human to packing sa iyang gamit. So, mag-serve sa ako sa paniod to. Diya pa ang pamahaw, wa pa na kuan. Wa pa na human og kaon sa pamahaw, maniod to na po. Ngipos ako. Gutom kog inipake. Gutom kog binutos mga bay sa mga gamit ni Ronagel. So, dara mga unta. Isda na po ni siya kani tamis nga luto. Kani diri parat nga luto. Duha ka klaseng luto ang pagkaon. Paku ka kape, gutom jud ko. So mani ay panos na baka. Mas panos na dugay-dugay naman ning kaya pa. Ngaon tayo niyo. Timpla sa akong kape. Tara, kape. Saka arinola. Saka balde. Oh, coffee is life, giri no. Oh my God, kape is life. Oh, dara. Salamat kayo. And let's congratulate ourselves kay top 5 na sa social media. Ang Inday Kabkab is naka-top 5. Daghang kay salamat sa inyong suporta sa tanang mga pages sa Facebook. Naka-top 5 ta. So pinaagi ka na sa inyong suporta. Kung wala ang inyong suporta nga ni kanako dili gini mahimo ang ato ang paglambo. So daghan kayong salamat ninyong tanan. Inday Kabkab for Barangay Kagawad. Salamat kay Diyos ko, tabangin ko ninyong gitik ha, kaya ako na lang bayang usa. So gitik ko na lang pud nako kung galingon dire. Kaya unsaon na lang no, ako ra usa dire. So kung tuo ko na kaayo ko, gitik ko lang nako kung galingon sod. O ay mong kabalag ka kaya ra nako ni kayanan. Nakaya